Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef enchiladas Mexican style. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 12 corn tortillas, and 2 cups of your favorite red enchilada sauce. Don't forget 1 cup of shredded cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, plus 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and some basic seasonings for flavor. Now, let's prepare our delicious beef filling. In a large skillet, brown 1.5 pounds of ground beef over medium heat until it's fully cooked. Make sure to drain any excess fat to keep it from being greasy. Then, stir in your preferred seasonings, like chili powder and cumin, along with a small amount of enchilada sauce. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. With your filling ready, it's time for assembly. Lightly warm each corn tortilla in a little oil for about 15 to 20 seconds. This makes them pliable. Next, dip each warmed tortilla into the red enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Place a generous spoonful of the beef mixture down the center, roll it up tightly, and arrange them seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Finally, let's get these enchiladas baked. Pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas, then sprinkle generously with the rest of your shredded cheese. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Serve hot with your favorite toppings. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.